Hey y'all, so today I'm coming to you with a glueless wig install. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.
The one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world.
Alright y'all, let's hop right into it. Right now you see me plucking my my closure. I bought a 5x5 closure. So I bleached my knots off camera. They didn't really turn completely, but that's okay. Once I put it on my head, you won't even notice it. Right now, I'm just going section by section, keep going back until I get the thickness I want the closure to be. It's just a little too thick right now, so yeah.
Hey, 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 what's happening? Gotta get my drink, that's right. Shake your ass till it stay, that's right. It's the moves on the beat, that's right. Get down for the street, that's right.
Now let's get into the braids. This is gel in my hair from a previous style. I'm not dirty. I know that looks crazy. It's not dandruff. It is gel. So anyways, y'all about to see me do some quick braids in my head. Mind you, when I do other people's hair, I braid way neater than this. You know, I shouldn't even have to explain that. I'm just throwing this wig on my head because I'm lazy. And mind you, I was doing my hair at like 2 a.m. or something like that, and I had to get up for work in the morning. Alright, so I did tell you I'm gonna do my braids pretty big, but the two perimeter braids, you want to make sure that they are small so that you can sew the closure down to the front braid at least, so it doesn't move, you know.
Attack like my name was Saddam. I came the bomb from New York to my dawn, and I can write a song sicker than Jeffrey Dawn. Who touched my car alarm? Breaking my car, you were here like we're on. Have been a superstar since Daddy came was wrong. The Avenue stage, come on and give me some applause.
So continue braiding, you know, until you complete the whole head. You see me connecting the braids so that at the end of the process, you only have to sew down 1 or 2 braids instead of like 8 to 10 braids. It makes it way easier. Now all my girls know when you do your own hair, your arms get to hurting real bad, and that's the point I'm at right now. I only did about 7 braids, but still, like, I was over it. This is the reason right here that my head is as flaky as it is right now. But we need it. Slick them edges back before we throw on this wig, okay? Okay, for this wig to be glueless, you want to make sure you have an elastic band and you want to sew it about 1 inch or 2 behind the hairline. And you also want the elastic band to fit tight on your head. So you guys know the thicker piece on the end of the closure, you want to cut that piece off. That's how you're going to get that seamless look. I do this for my sew-ins as well as my wig.
Make you wanna hurt something. I can take your man, I don't have to sex something. Hang him out with the woman, Michael Jackson. I'm a pain in your rectum. I am that bitch they don't slept on. Heavy hit around, spit up, call me rerun. Hey, 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 what's happening? Gotta get my drink, that's right. Shake your ass till it stay, that's right. It's the moves on the beat, that's right. Get down for the street, that's right.
So for the glueless install, I do not use caps. This Luster's wax stick is my favorite wax stick I found so far. It'll get your install super duper flat once you put that hot comb to it, as y'all see I'm doing right now. Yeah. Now to cut off your lace, you want to make sure you get a razor, or if you don't have a razor, you can use scissors, but make sure you cut it in a jagged line. So after you complete your baby hairs with the foam, I tied them down with this, what do they call it? The neck strip thingies. You want to leave that on until it dries. But right now I am plucking. Then you want to take some concealer lighter than your skin tone and add it to your part so it could be visible. You know, you don't want no darkness part. And with us not using a cap, it's going to be harder to get that illusion. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying.
Drums go bump bump bump. This beat here will make it hum boom jump. If you use a fat one, put your clothes back on. Before we start putting hot holes on my lawn. Oh my God, show under attack like my name was Saddam. I came the bomb from New York to my lawn.
Now y'all remember that perimeter braid I told you to do small so we can sew the wig down to? That braid is what you want to use to kind of secure your wig down, and just make one single stitch across that braid. Now we're getting into the styling. I just went through and flat ironed the hair. I like to use freeze spray and my turn up the heat spray. It's a heat protectant. That's what really gets my hair really silky. And also I went and redid my edges because I did not like how these looked. So yeah, stay tuned. Shake your ass till it stay, that's right. It's the moves on the beat, that's right. Went down for the street, that's right. I feel like this step is very important if you want your lace to look like super clean, crisp, you know what I'm saying? Get you some of that black hairspray at the beauty supply. Put you I've seen people use string. I personally use a rat tail comb. Cover the part and spray it on there. And right now I'm just adding a few layers to my wig so it could look more realistic. You know, I don't like having one length throughout my whole wig. It looks kind of not cute to me. Let me say that. Is the finishing complete look. I hope you guys love the outcome. I loved it. It's low maintenance. Let me know if you use the tips I gave y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.